Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel that is whatever is it, kashmirvillobats.com और छाबड़ा vlogs दोनों एक ही चीज है but still we are here with the very big achievement of kashmirvillobats.com और क्यों है big achievement वो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ क्योंकि हमारी वेबसाइट पे for the first time we have got a big order जिसकी वजह से we are going to make this particular video. So here are the products that have been sold out by a particular person who is living right now in Japan. And another thing that I am going to tell you, वैसे तो order आया था हमें एक अपनी हमारी वेबसाइट पे, but उन्होंने हमारे से एक ऑनलाइन हमारी कन्वर्जेशन हुई, टेलीफोनिक कन्वर्जेशन हुई, उसमें उन्होंने हमें और भी चीजें ऑर्डर करी हैं. तो अब मैं आपको वन बाय वन सब प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाने स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. इसमें 3 तो हैं इंग्लिश विलोज जो कि हमारी वेबसाइट पर लिस्टेड नहीं थे बट उन्होंने हमसे टेलीफोनिक कन्वर्सेशन करते हुए वो ऑर्डर प्लेस कराए. तो अब मैं आपको ज्यादा इस बार बैट्स के बारे में नहीं बताऊंगी, मैं आपको सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाऊंगी जो कि हमारे सोल्ड आउट हुए हैं और उन्होंने ही परचेज करे हैं. फर्स्ट इज द ब्लैक माम्बा. ये सब वो बैट्स हैं जो हम आपको एक बार दिखा चुके हैं वीडियोस के अंदर. अभी के लिए एक फास्ट ओवरव्यू. दिस इज अ ब्लैक माम्बा टेनिस हार्ड टेनिस बैट है. ये आप इसकी प्रोफाइल चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. वेरी थिन, मार्केट में और भी हैं बट दिस इज कम्प्लीटली वेरी डिफरेंट. Black is the gutting over here, you can see. Now coming on to the second bat, here is it. This is again a tennis bat. You can see the grains. This is a Kashmir willow bat. Here you can see the scooping over here. 5 scoops over this and black is the grip. This was the second bat. Next one is the favorite one because of the texture or the burned edition of this particular bat which is very trending nowadays. So here is it. 2 are the guttings over here. You can see the grains over here and the burning edition. Hot selling product right now. Very different, very unique. You must have never seen before. This is a particular bat which is very different in shape. Over 100 is the edges. Spine is obviously very much in the bat. This is a leather bat and this is obviously not according to the ICC norms. But according to the requirements we have completely fulfilled those. And you can see the texture, you can see the stickers with the grip is also really very good and round in shape. Now we are going to show you something. Okay, first of all this is the MSD edition leather bat. Again you can check out the grains, gutting has been done by us. MSD edition. Here is the bat, you can see the profile and here is it. Next one is, first of all, I am going to show you Gray Nichols Wonder Bat that Ankit I guess showed you earlier on the video. This has also been sold out and we had the same kind of product that is not a copy but the same kind of product we have in our own brand. This is a CV bat and again fiber bat profile. You can see these bats, you must be thinking where these are particularly used. These are used in the indoor games. These are used in, I'm not saying that you should play in the house, no, but when you are not playing professionally, just for practice, playing with children, you can use these bats. So completely perfect. And now I'm going to show you the pair of gloves that also has been sold out to the same person on a telephonic conversation because these were not listed on our website. Next is, thank you. Next is the Puma shoes that I initially showed when they came into the market. I represented those in I think 3 to 4 days I believe. So these are the shoes. You can see I was thinking who will purchase it but no, these are the hot selling products and this is going to the sir in Japan. And next one is the Diana sleeves that you all are obviously aware of. And we have one more thing. This was again through a telephonic conversation. There are two more bats of English willows that are here, but because of some of the confidentiality, the person has requested us not to show it to anyone. So here is it. Chase Master MRF Genius, and here is the bat. You can see the grains, and this is of ex-Ranji player. Used bat, it lies in the used bat category, so we are obviously claiming that. we are not telling you that this is a new bat. No, this is not a new brand, new fresh bat. No, and this is a bag we earlier showed. I think, yes, I showed you. You can see the complete padding over here. You can see the thickness of, okay, you cannot see, but I can show you. You can see, might be you are able to see the pads over here. Here you can place all the thigh guards, chest guards, whatever you want to fill in these, you can do. You can place your bats over here. We have provided 2 bats compartments over here. And here you can place any of your eatables, your water bottles, or whatever you want to place over in this particular thing. Let me open this for you. Here is the, you can see how much your cell phone, your wallet, or whatever is there. Here you can place helmet, shoes, and so this is a particular product that we have made and that has been sold out. I hope, sir, you have seen all the products lying on the tabletop, and you must know that all these are coming to you in just a few days. And if you want to place orders like this, you must contact us. You can place orders on kashmirvillobats.com, and also you can make us call on 9646232525. Also, you can go to kashmirvillobats.com or Chabra Vlogs at Instagram accounts. You can place your orders anywhere, wherever is your comfort. So thank you so much for trusting us, and keep promoting us, keep helping us. Like it. Bye bye.